Hey, let me show you how we can turn on and manage the adapt sound on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So all you have to do is just open the settings. Now you have to scroll down and move to the sound and vibration. From this at the bottom we can actually find the separate app sound. I mean, we have to go for sound quality and effects, and it appears right here. We have to turn on the adapt sound, and now we can click on it. From this we can first pick the adapt sound for media and the calls, only media, or for example only calls. Let's say that I want to get it for only media, and from this we got under 13 years old, between 30 and 60, and over 60. I'm gonna pick this one and customize it to my preferences. So I can pick the preferred ear for calls, the left or the right one, and also the sound preference, the clear or the soft. And from this I've got the sound preview, but I have to also, whoopsie, I have to actually input the headphones to my ears, like for example the USB-C headphones or the Bluetooth headphones. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.